What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone. Right, so the first way you can do this is by simply doing it from your WhatsApp application. So I open WhatsApp here guys, and the first thing you want to do is click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to click on settings. From here, right across from your picture or your account, you will see the drop down, right? You want to click on that, and you will see the option there to add another account. So if you click on that, you're able to choose between two options here. You can choose the option to use on multiple phones, or you can choose the option to use on this phone only, right? So you can choose between these two options. Now, the second way how to go about doing this, guys, is through doing it through your settings, right? And you want to do a swipe up on your Android phone, and you simply want to type in settings. Once you have the settings open, you want to type in dual messenger, and by the time you start to type dual, you will see the advanced feature called dual messenger. You want to click on that. From here, you want to scroll down to where it says dual messenger, and you want to open that. You'll be able to see WhatsApp, Facebook, and the Facebook Messenger. Now you want to go ahead and toggle on the WhatsApp. It will prompt you to install a second copy of WhatsApp, so you can do that and confirm. Then you want to go ahead and you can say use separate contact list. You can choose to do so, and you can just toggle it on, and you'll be able to choose between a different contact list, or you can leave it and just continue. It will turn on to your dual messenger, and as you can see, a second copy of WhatsApp is installed there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close out of this and show you. And if you look on my phone, there's a second copy of WhatsApp. So the first copy of WhatsApp is here, and the second copy of WhatsApp is here. And you can open up the WhatsApp from here, and you can set it up as normally as a brand new WhatsApp account. Very easy and very simple, guys.